Chi in Igbo cosmology represents two major things: one's personal spirit or soul, the other is one's personal God. Chi is the foundation of our existence and connection to creation. A man that does not know his Chi and does not call upon his Chi cannot say to know himself or Chukwu, his creator. Chi is a man's benevolent spirit. The concept of Chi is deeply woven into the very fabric of Igbo cosmology and traditionality. Chi can be understood as the collection of the divine spirit of the supreme spirit Chukwu Okike. Chi embodies our individuality where no two persons are the same. That is why in Igbo land